Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. This week's stamping collab was hosted by Patty's Polish Corner, and these are the manicures we prepared. You can find links to everybody's video in the description box of mine. Let's get started. For my base, I chose 4 different green nail polishes from my collection. I'll have them all listed down below. To stamp, I'll be using La Cosedora stamping plate called Back to Basics and her green stamping polish. It's called Kryptonite. I pick up the same image and stamp it on all the nails. In this part of the nail where part of the image stayed stuck on the stamper because the nail polish was too dry, I applied a little bit of clear polish just in that area and went over with the missing piece right there to cover that area. Now it's time for cleanup. I use a piece of tape to remove the excess. After cleaning up, this is what I'm left with, and I really love the end result. Now it's time for a top coat. To prevent smearing the stamping, I'll apply this Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. Once it dries, I'll follow up with my Sally Hansen matte top coat. Once the matte top coat dries, the manicure is complete and I love the end result. Each nail is a different color, but the stamping brings it all together. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!